trotting with Team Donk. Here we go. Luke, Galahad, easy trot, son. Easy, boys. Thank you, guys. Doing good. Doing good, boys. Just be nice and easy. Yeah. This is my one-handed trot. Good fellas. Good boys. Easy, guys. All right. Easy walk. Ooh. And that's just exactly what it's like to go trotting across the Camas Prairie with Team Donk.